Did you know that India has seen more number of road deaths per year than any other nation since 2006, costing lives at the rate of 2,30,000 annually? So don't you think the automaker should also give prime concern toward the safety features while manufacturing any of their motor vehicle? Also, while buying a motor vehicle, the customer should also give a keen attention to the safety features being offered by the vehicle. So, in this video, we are going to share with you the top 7 safest car available in the Indian market. Keep watching the video till the end and do let us know which car do you want in the list. The 7th safest car is the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. It gets 4 stars out of 5 for the adult occupancy and 2 stars out of 5 for the child occupancy. These are the safety features that the motor vehicle offered to the customer. The 6th safest car is the Mahindra Maharaja. It also gets 4 stars out of 5 for the adult occupancy and 2 stars out of 5 for the child occupancy. However, when we look at the scores obtained by the Maharaja, it is somewhat more than that of the Vitara Brezza. These are the safety features which you get on all the variants of this car. Fifth safest car is the Volkswagen Polo. It gets 4 stars out of 5 for the adult occupancy and 3 stars out of 5 for the child occupancy. These are the safety features which you get on all the variants. The fourth safest car is a tie between Tata Tiago and Tata Tiago. Both of them gets 4 stars out of 5 for the adult occupancy and 3 stars out of 5 for the child occupancy. These are the safety features which you get on all the variants. The third safest car is the Tata Nexon. It's the first 5-star rated car from an Indian manufacturer. It gets 5 stars out of 5 for the adult occupancy and 3 stars out of 5 for the child occupancy. These are the safety features that the motor vehicle offered to the customer. second safest car available in the Indian market is again from Tata, which is the Tata Ultros. It is the second 5-star rated car from the Tata. It gets 5-star rating out of 5 for the adult occupancy and 3 stars out of 5 for the child occupancy. These are the safety features which you get on all the variants. In the race of the safest car available in the Indian market, the Mahindra Exhibit 300 proves itself to be the safest car available in the Indian market. It gets 5-star out of 5 for the adult occupancy and 4-star out of 5 for the child occupancy. These are the safety features which you get on all the variants of this car. And finally, here is the list of the top 7 safest car available in the Indian market. It's very good to see that the top 4 safest car available to us in the Indian market are from the Indian manufacturer itself. The first one is from the Mahindra and Mahindra, and the second, third and fourth are from the Tata groups.